Good day to you all. Welcome back to, of course, my YouTube channel. Today I'll be looking at GBPJPY. I'm sure every one of you can hear me, I guess. Yeah, active. Today I'll be looking at GBPJPY. We had a very solid trade on GBPJPY today, 26th of November 2024. So first thing first, when you open your charts, the first thing you should do by default is to look out for the trend the market is on. So what do? You go to your higher time frame to look. First thing, you go to your higher time frame to look with your eyes, to see what the market is on. So barely looking at what we have here from the current structure, just barely looking at this, you can clearly see the market has given us new lows. This is a low in the market. This is another low. These are more lows. The market is consistently creating lows. So by common knowledge, and by default, what we know, when the market is constantly creating lows, it indicates that the market is what? The market is bearish. So yeah, we're going to do the analysis on GBP and how we got our entry for today. So real quick, marking up this chart, we can clearly see GBP consolidating for a long time, or rather for a short time, from Sunday to like Friday, for a week. There is a weak consolidation around this area on the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, and with ICC, what does ICC represent? ICC represents, I represents the indication, C represents correction, and the last C represents the continuation of the trend. So by looking at this, it's very safe to say that GBPJPY consolidated for a very long time. The market was ranging for a very long time. And if you observe, we saw the market what push down from this range area, giving us a low in the market. Market was push down from this area and give us a low. By indication, what does this signify? This clearly signifies that the market has already given us an indication for what? For more sales. So now we've seen price clear breakout from this consolidation area and giving us a new low right around here. So easy peasy. And one thing you always note is that price move from what? Zone to zone. Now, what do I mean? Where did this sale start from? All of this sale started from here. And where did this sale end? All of this sale ended there before we started seeing a major retracement back up. I think if I go to my higher time frame, it will be more clear and precise here. Seeing that price considered around here, broke down here. The lowest point that price touched before it continued. So I started buying was this area here. If I mark it down to be the same as that on our 4 hour time frame. But let's see. Um, okay, yeah, back at it so you can see same place. So yeah, by common knowledge now, we've already said this is what's the indication for the market trend we're on, more sales. So jotting this down, indication for sales. Yep, this is an indication for what? For sales. Realistically, all of this move from this area down to this area is an indication for what? For sales. And by common knowledge, after the next thing we have to expect is what? A correction to where what price broke out from. And then what next? Continuation. So now, real quick, let's look for the area that price broke out from here. So how do you go about that? In terms of getting your entries, you get your entries on smaller time frames. So yeah, I'm going to my 5 minutes time frame real quick. Going to my 5 minutes time frame real quick. Mm, mm. Damn, why is this shit slow? Just give me a minute, guys. Let me fix my network. Mm. So yeah, we are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. back and active. So going back to that area where we had all of this consolidation. Yep, right around here. So real quick, don't forget all of those sales started from where? From this area here, where they ended here. So apparently from here to here is a what? Is a zone. Put that at the back of your heart. From here to here is a what? Is a zone. So now going to mark out where price broke out from. So realistically, we did see price from here zooming out, or rather zooming in. These are 5 minutes time frame now. From here, we saw price growth buying up here, retracing. This area is serving as what? A higher low. This area is serving as what? A higher high. Here is serving as what? A higher low. After a higher low, the next thing we expect by common knowledge is what? A higher high. But the market is always right, you understand? So the market did not give us a higher high, and instead considered around here and cleared out these higher lows, give us more sales. Don't forget, whenever price takes out your higher lows, whenever price takes out your lows, indicates what? More sales. So by common knowledge now, I saw that price broke out from where? This higher low around there. From this whole structure, this is where the whole breakout started from. So I'm marking this. Let's give it let's make this dotted line. Yup. And let's change color. Let's have purple. Now let's have yellow. Yellow is better. So yeah, going back, scrolling in. Now I've gotten my entry now. How did I get my entry? I just went down to a smaller time frame, look at where price broke out from. Now, obviously, I'm selling. So I came to look out for the higher low that price broke out from to get the entry. So going back to, let's go, just deep down. Let's go at the 30 minutes. So from my 30 minutes time frame now, real quick, I could see that price what broke out from, price broke out from this area. Ooh, little mistake made. Price broke out from on the whole higher low. Okay, yeah, seen the whole structure. Price broke out. See, price moved from see the whole movement rather. Right here, up here, and boom, we had price selling down crazily, taking out this higher low right here and giving us more sales. So real quick, as stated and as said, we as stated and as said, price retraced back into where what she broke out from. And that's what we call that the correction. That is called what? The correction. So the correction took place that we had price buying up back into the area that she broke out from. And this around here. You can see it clearly. Price buying up. Buying up here is where price will retrace and continue the movement. But now, what did price do? Price sold and it's clearing out this higher low. So we had price dropping down, giving us a new low, buying up back in this area that she broke out from, and what continued. There was what continuation of the set trend. Continuation of the trend. Very easy. You just need to be able to open your eyes and see. Mainly, you just need to see for real. So quite easy, although we've not really gotten what we are looking at. We're looking at how we got our entry for today. So yeah, this from last week. So looking at this, all of this move again, we've seen price retraced from here, this whole area. This is a good what are we risking on here? We'll be risking we'll be risking 69 to get 400, or rather 420. Yeah, you're risking 70p. This is a proper swing trade. Although I was unable to I didn't eat all of this last week. I was just able to get like 100 pips from it and I dipped out. Yeah, I did out at this level. I got a very good entry. So yeah, this for last week. So same thing again, looking at it clearly, we've seen price what? break out from this consolidation area, give us a new low, trace back into here, continue the trend. Now, price has also cleared out this low now, giving us what? Indication for what? More sales. This is a new low that has been given to us right here. Retracement back up again. Same thing over and over. We had price dropping here. Boom. Retracement back here. Don't forget, all of this here we started from here, ended here. If for adventure we had seen price above this area, we'll be looking for buys. For now, we did not. So this area saved us a lower high. And yeah, from last night, I think this is Asian session, I think. Let me turn on my sessions. So for Asian session, I noticed price what other price gave us this low here, but up and price consolidated around this area again. I noticed price by the morning hours, that's 26th of today, of course, 26th of November. We had price what dropping down, giving us a new low. So by common knowledge again, once again, this is also another indication for what more sales. I'm going to write this here. Indication, let's make this yellow. So, yep. So this is another indication for more sales. Then of course, now how I got the entry, very easy. Where did all of this sales start from? All of this sales began from this area here. And where did it end? It ended at this area here. Easy peasy. See, this sale started from here, ended here. This is a lower high. After a lower high, next thing we have is a lower low. Price clearing out this lower low, clearly. So now, how did I get my entry? Same thing where I got the previous one. The same way I'm getting this one. I'm scrolling down into the area that price broke out what? From easy peasy. So from here now, I've seen price what? Buy up from here, retrace, buy up, retrace. See, this is a higher low. And price tried to push up again, but couldn't. So this higher low here this was the entry we used. Boom. Very nice and solid entry. And we're risking barely 20 pips on our trade today. So it's a very nice banger trade, I must say. Very nice trade. So we had price at this area here with, of course, our SLs are always at, if I'm selling now, so my SL is always going to be at my lower high. So by common knowledge, price hitting my lower high indicates what? Buys. So I had our SL here, barely 20 pips, as I stated. And of course, boom, 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 we're coming down. Same thing over and over again. Same thing over and over. ICC, same thing over and over. So first thing, if you notice, let me scroll into 30 minutes. So, okay, so from here, if you notice, we had price what? We had price indicating what sells down to this level. We had our what correction C. We had our correction right here. And lastly, we had the continuation of what? Of the trend. Continuation of the trend right around here. So same thing. We had price was selling down, giving us indication for one buy. It was during Asian session. And then by London, we had price buying up back into this area where she broke out from. And this is how we got our entry. And boom, more shares to the downside. So now, same thing again. Once again, now you also need to always look at the structures in between the time frames. So now, looking at this is a very solid trade. Indication, continuation, correction. Now for the next trade, I'm to take on GBPJPY. How do we get our entry? Of course, the market is bearish from a higher time frame or a higher perspective. Now, in terms of entries, same thing again. Where did all of this sale start from? Where did it end? All of this sale, once again, this one now has started from where? From here. Good. Let's make these lines. Let's make it red lines. And where did it end? That's for now. The lowest point that price has touched so far from that area is here. So we're going to say for now, it's here. Anything underneath here right now, most sales, obviously. So all of these sales started from here, ended here. So very high expectations. So I expect price to retrace back into your platform. Same thing again, continuation of the trend. But let's go down to our 5 minutes. Let's go and look for what we need. So yeah, right around here we had price buying, retracing, buying, retracing, buying. This is the point that price took off from, if I'm not mistaken. This is the higher low right here. Boom. That's the higher low right there that price broke off from. And yup, of course, our S is going to be at this level here, or maybe 2 pips above that level, because anything above that level indicates buys in the market. So once again, this time we are risking 25 pips. We are risking 25 now to get how many? To get 105. So let's see how this goes by tomorrow. So yeah, this is how I got my entry into GBPJPY session. Yeah, this is how I got my entry into GBPJPY sales. Same easy peasy. Person first, looked out for the indication. I got my indication for sales. I waited for the correction and I attacked by what the continuation of the trend and that's most of this. So yeah, same thing too on the higher time frame from the previous week that happened. Same thing too around here. We had price consolidating, breakout, retracement, continuation of the trend. So I hope you guys were able to learn a few things from these videos. Do well sharing out my YouTube page, like my page, subscribe. Yeah. One day we're going to be so up. I mean, one day we'll be so much in good profit and our grinding days will forever be cherished. You guys stay jiggy and keep tuning into my channel.